Hi friends, welcome to Kids Riddles. I am always on the dinner table, but you don't get to eat me. Who am I? The answer is plates and silverware. What's bright orange with green on top and sounds like a parrot? Who am I? Answer carrot. What's really easy to get into and hard to get out of? Who am I? Answer trouble. What word contains 26 letters but only has 3 syllables? Answer alphabet. What can you hear but not see or touch even though you control it? Answer your voice. A girl fell off 20-foot ladder. She was not hurt. Why? Answer she fell off the bottom step. What has lots of eyes but can't see? Answer potato. I am often following you and copying you every move, yet you can never touch me or catch me. What am I? Answer shadow. Grandpa went out for a walk and it started to rain. He did not bring an umbrella or a hat. His clothes got soaked but not a hair and his head was wet. How is this possible? Answer Grandpa was bald. What has hands but can't clap? Answer clock. Thank you.